Alright guys, so Jimmy and I went to Pick&Pull the other day, and we got some stuff for the truck, so that means there's going to be content for you guys to watch. So let me get this camera turned around, and I'll show you what I got. Alright, so we're going to use my freezer as the workbench for right now. But I got a tail light, and of course this tail light's not in the greatest shape, but I just basically grabbed it for a spare, you know, just in case. Actually what I went after was this right here, this little rail of lights right here, because those things are so expensive, and you know, I just don't want to put that kind of cash into it. But I got a couple mirrors for the doors, and I got this this GMC emblem off of a like an 85 square body GMC, and it's not going on my truck, but it was just cool, so it's just going to be probably stuck somewhere here in the shop. This little crowbar, Jimmy picked it up, and they didn't charge me anything for it, so what the hell. It'll probably end up going in his toolbox for a pry bar or something. I don't know. But I got these seatbelt buckles for the front seat. My interior is blue, and obviously these are like red or maroon. And I'm not really going for style. I'm not trying to make a show truck out of a work truck. I'm just basically going for functionality. I really don't give a damn if it's a different color. It's like these two vents right here. I got two of the same one, and I think one of these I cracked it when I took it out. That was probably why it was so easy to get out. But I grabbed both of them just because. I also got a this is a window motor and track for my wife's car, for the driver's door of the Saturn Vue, which that'll probably be a video right there. But and then I got this heater core line, and I'm just going to use that as kind of a spare hose. So, but anyway, there are a few of these things that need to go on the truck for inspection purposes, like these two rear view mirrors and these seatbelt buckles. So that's a couple videos for you guys to watch right there. But anyway, yep, this is what we got from Pick&Pull. I didn't do any video when we went out there, mainly because it was like an hour before they closed, and I just didn't really, want to take the time to do any filming. Besides that, I left my cell phone in the truck, so that's the way it goes. But probably toward the end of the month, we're going to get out there, and we're going to do some more parts hunting at the Pick&Pull, and we'll probably do some filming then. But anyway, guys, that's the parts I got. Yeah, so it doesn't look like I got very much, but I didn't really pay a whole lot for that stuff. And that's the beauty of going to Pick&Pull. I think I paid like $35 for all that stuff, and I mean, honestly, you can't even get that tail light for $35. So I mean, that's the way it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you next time. Take it easy.